As promised from my last video, today we are here to talk about Linky. What is Linky? Linky is an AI app that was created so humans can chat with their perfect AI mate or with the perfect AI they have in mind. When Linky was first created, it was first created for humans and AI. But over time, it became an app where other humans meet up with other humans and other AIs, not just AIs only. Linky is an app that has been existing for 2 years. How to earn with Linky? You can earn with Linky by either chatting with humans. In this case, you need to bring your social skills to the max to bring up your social skills game. Or you can earn by creating AI characters, AI stories, and then you get paid as a creator. Earning as a host. You can earn with Linky by earning as a host who chats with other human beings and earning diamonds. How to earn as a host on Linky? To earn as a host for Linky, you first need to create your account. You have to register with a Google account. Then you create the account. After creating the account, then you have to join an agency. If you don't join an agency on Linky, you will not be able to chat, visit party rooms, or earn diamonds. And that is basically how you earn as a host on Linky. My code for Linky, the code for my agency is up here. I'll put it somewhere here. This is my code for Linky, so you can use it. It's my agency name. You can use it to join Linky. In order for you to earn diamonds, in order for you to be able to be a host on Linky, you have to have an agency name. So this is my code or the name of my agency. You have to click it, join my agency, then you comment and tell me you've joined my agency so I can add you to my agency. There's a place where I have to add you. When I add you, you become a host on Linky. That way you can be able to earn. Without it, you will not be able to earn. So use this code, guys, use this name and join Linky. And then if you're interested, click on the WhatsApp link, join me on my WhatsApp group, and then we can earn, we can have fun together, and I can teach you many things about Linky and how to earn if you're not comfortable with the whole DM kind of stuff. I'm not really comfortable with that too, so I had to think of other ways I can be able to earn on Linky, and I came up with other ways I can be able to earn on Linky. It's very interesting. It's kind of strategic too, but it's better than the other option. So when you register with your Google account, you join an agency, you see the first few messages popping up as hello, hello. You chat with those messages quickly. After chatting with those messages for a long time, you get a notification from Linky's official assistant that you have now been accepted as a host. And after that, party rooms and messages are open to you. When you want to earn as a host, you answer messages that are sent to you. There's little gifts from the highs and halos that are sent to you. When you quickly respond in, I think, less than 30 seconds, you earn 2 diamonds automatically. If you see private message and someone message you back, you answer, you also earn from private messages in your DM. Another way you can earn is you attend party rooms, and when you are sitting on the seat in party rooms, people gift you coin. People gift you gifts in party rooms, and those gifts are automatically converted to diamonds for you. You can also earn purple coins when you're in party rooms by getting lucky bags, treasure chest, and everything else. But you cannot change purple coins to diamond. You can only use it to gift other people. They gift you back, but the gifts other people gives you back automatically changes to diamonds for you, which you can withdraw. So there's the fast way to earn on Linky. There is also the slow way to earn on Linky. Depends on what you're comfortable with and what you're not. I know when I first came on, Linky had a bad reputation. I mean, watching about Linky online, after I heard about Linky, I went to search about it online and I went to read comments, and I saw different comments of how crazy the app is, which is true, of course. Naturally, that's true. But I also saw that you can actually meet genuinely nice and amazing people on Linky. You just don't meet the crazy, you also meet the nice. Of course, they're all, but still, they're nice either way. So, like I said, there's a fast way to earn on Linky, and then there's a slow way to earn on Linky. If you're comfortable with the fast way to earn on Linky, you can go the route where you be all seductive and all that stuff, and then you say some stuff. Anyway, we'll talk about that if you join my WhatsApp group. There's a link for my WhatsApp group below. You can click on that, join my WhatsApp group, and I'll tell you more about it. Then there's a slow way to earn on Linky. The slow way to earn on Linky is just making friends, going to party rooms, sitting in seats on party rooms. You can request for seats. They'll give you seats in the party room. You request for seats, you sit on the seat, and then people gift you when you're on the seat. They gift you gifts. There are different type of gifts that can be given to you in party rooms. It can be hearts, balloons, confession, devotion rings. They're all different type of gifts, and they're all worth certain amounts of purple coin. When they are gifted to you, those purple coin and their worth automatically becomes purple automatically becomes diamonds for you, which you can withdraw in dollars to your bank account. So you can withdraw directly from Linky to your local bank account, and there's charges, I think, added to it. And in some cases, when they charge you to withdraw, after a while you see they reverse your money back to you. They don't really take your money. And then there's like a bonus every Monday. If your diamond is above 10,000 diamond, there's a bonus that is usually given to you every Monday. And then when your money accumulates, you can withdraw. Of course, you can withdraw when your money is at 25 diamond, which is half a dollar. But I don't advise you to do that, because if you do that, it means they are going to be charging you about 1 point something dollars, and when you're withdrawing half a dollar, it means you get to owe them instead. So that doesn't make sense. My advice to you is it's better for you to wait till your diamond gets to at least 25,000 diamonds, then you can withdraw, and bonus is given to you when you withdraw on Monday rather than any other day of the week. If you withdraw on Monday, bonus is given to you, and then your withdrawal fee is returned back to you. So yes, Linky is a genuine app. I mean, it depends on you. You can go the slow way. The slow way, you get to be who you are. You don't have to be all seductive. You don't have to talk on it. You don't have to say things that you're not comfortable with, or do things you're not comfortable with, and you earn money. And then the fast way is in your DMs. Men DM you, you talk to them, you have video calls with them, voice calls. You earn money as you talk with them through voice calls and video calls, and then you chat with them for hours, days, and the more you chat with them, the more the level of the chat goes higher, and the more you earn and all that stuff. So it's really a genuine way, and people have been making money through it. And why I like it is that you're given a chance to earn, even if you're not comfortable doing other things that other people are doing. You still earn, though not as fast as others, but still you still have a chance to earn. And you earn slowly, you make genuine friends, you make nice friends, and then you just have fun, just chatting, and then sitting in party seats and earning money. You don't have to go the other way. So this is all about Linky. If you like this video and you find this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share to someone you think would need this video, someone you think would be able to earn on Linky, someone you think is good at socializing, talking, meeting people, and just having fun video. And then I would put a link to a WhatsApp group down below if you're interested in chatting more with me, training with me, and then just learning how to navigate the craziness of Linky, because Linky is a crazy app. If you're interested in learning with me how to navigate the craziness of Linky, how to verify your profile so you get more chats, more DMs, and every stuff and other stuffs, my link is down below in the description box. You can click it, join my WhatsApp group, and then we can train together and then just band together and have fun in Linky. So subscribe, let's grow our money together, let's earn together, and I'll see you in my next video.